Okay, so I picked up this used bike recently. It's got a few scuffs and dings here and there, but that's okay, because so do I. But one thing that's not okay are the pedals. As you can see, they're pretty worn down, and their best days are behind them. Now, I usually get RaceFace Chester pedals, which are great, but since this was a pretty inexpensive bike, I wanted to see if I could save a little money on the pedals. And after doing a little research, I thought I'd try these out. These are called Fooker pedals. They were around 21 bucks on Amazon. They had lots of positive reviews. So I thought, what the heck? So here they are, and let's try slapping these new pedals on this old bike right here. So opening up the box, here we have some extra pins, spacers, so that's pretty cool. And here are the pedals close up. So my initial impressions right out of the box, these pedals look pretty good. They look pretty solid and feel really sturdy. The look and build quality seems comparable to what I'm used to with the Chesters. And you know, the extra pins, they're a little thing, but stuff like that really adds a lot to the overall good impression. So first things first, let's get rid of these old janky pedals. So quick note, these old pedals were a hassle to remove. I actually had to spray them down with WD-40, let them soak overnight, then I had to go at them again the next day, but man, what a pain. So when you check out the new pedals, you can see quite clearly which one is left and which one is right, which is helpful. So after greasing the threads, I set about installing the new set. And luckily for me, installing the new pedals was a lot easier than removing the old pedals. So here's a quick comparison of the old and new. So the new pedal, right away you can see it has a lot more surface area, and with all the pins, I've got no doubt it'll provide a much better grip. Okay, so here we are outside, and I'm going to give the new pedals a quick test run. They're looking pretty snazzy. And we're off. And since they didn't go flying off in the bushes, I think they passed their tests. So good job, Fookers. Now only time will tell how durable these pedals are, but my initial impressions are they're pretty positive. They look and feel really good, especially considering the cost. So I'm hopeful they do a good job on this old bike of mine, this new old bike of mine. I'll mainly be using this bike for quick trips to the store and just want to mix in a little fun, a little exercise while running errands. Now I have a few other little upgrades I planned for this bike, so keep an eye out for them if you're interested. But for now, that's about it for these Fooker pedals. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.